Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. So today's video is just a quick short one to explain in a bit more detail about why I had to rebuild the engine. So which wasn't obviously evident in the very first video that I released. So this is the second camper build that I've done. The first one was a 2005 short wheelbase Vauxhall Vivaro. We had that for a number of years, went through a couple of rebuilds just to tweak it and get it right, certainly for her. It was successful. We enjoyed the weekends away and the weeks, because this is not my full-time job. I'm actually a lorry driver. But we decided that we needed to get something just a little bit bigger. Not getting any younger, not getting any more agile. So we needed something just a little bit bigger to give us that luxury bit of comfort that we were after. So went looking. I found Doris on an auction site. It was always a gamble, as all auctions are. You can't really do much in the way of preparation and bidding. So it was always a gamble. There were a couple of known issues, maybe not quite to the extent that have become. So you'll see in the pictures that come after me rambling on, you'll see the reasons why we had to do it. The bore scoring from the pistons themselves, the scoring on there. The head itself had warped by too much to be salvageable. The pitting in the pistons, it was just, yeah, not a good outcome, sadly. The ultimate fail was the head gasket, which led to the water ingress into the cylinder itself, which put the piston off kilter, scoring the bore. So as we were chasing down other problems, such as starting issues, we've replaced the batteries, we've replaced the starter switch, the ignition switch, sorry, none of which I've videoed, apologies. If you want to see a transit ignition switch doing, I highly suggest you look at Mel's Van World. He's done that in some detail, so he's one to worth watching. So shout out to him. That's where I learned that one from. We've changed the starter motor on it. It all helped, wasn't the problem. It was the fuel pump as well added into that. So a lot of issues to get to a stage where we could identify it was actually the head that had gone, or the head gasket at least. So further investigation, catastrophic fails all round. So it led to a complete strip, clean rebuild. So I thought I'd just take a moment to explain how and why I had to do the rebuild, and the reason why we chose Doris to give us that space and that little bit of luxury. She will come right in the end, with a great deal of effort and pennies to boot. But we will get there. So the engine's now fully rebuilt, back in situ. I'll do a short one on that one in due course, with her running. I can't do anything at the minute on that front because she's got no back feet. They're off being rebuilt at the minute, which you'll see this weekend, hopefully, all being well. we'll get that video uploaded at the weekend. So we're doing new hubs, new brakes, new bearings, everything for the back hubs. So you'll see all of that one later in the week. So I just thought I'd do a short vid just to explain why we chose Doris, where we got her, and what state she was in, which has led to all of these sort of rebuild problems ahead of her MOT and then the full-on conversion that's coming. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the next few pictures. There's only a couple just to show you the problems. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. So take care.